This is Meteorologist Matthew East, and thank you for clicking onto this Monday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Very, very cold conditions out there this morning. An Arctic air mass settling on into much of the southeastern part of the United States. Unlike last week, where we kept having these very cold Arctic air masses really centered off to our north, not the case this time. That Arctic air is settling right on down through much of the eastern United States, and it is very, very cold. As I'm cutting this video, we have temperatures in the Piedmont in the upper teens to lower 20s here on this Monday morning. Mountains even colder. Right now, the wind chill in Boone, a frigid 15 degrees below zero. So very, very cold conditions all across the Carolinas this morning, and it's really going to be a very cold day today. A couple of webcam shots this morning. That is Charlie's webcam up in Beech Mountain, and very, very cold look, some snow on the ground, and certainly very, very cold conditions. And that is Appalachian Ski Mountain. Can't see much because of the snow guns firing, and that is good news for ski lovers. Is after the mild, rainy weather last week, the ski resorts being able to really improve their conditions this morning with the cold temperatures. And the snowmaking process is ongoing. All right, there's the picture across the lower 48. Arctic high pressure centered back over the plain states. Around that, we're having very gusty west and northwesterly winds advecting that cold air into our area. And it's very breezy here in the Piedmont. We're seeing wind chills into the teens and even some single-digit wind chills in the Piedmont this morning. And it's going to be a very cold day. At best today, we're talking high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, so very, very cold conditions. Not a lot of precipitation in the eastern part of the country, a little bit of lake effect snow down into the Great Lakes, but this is our next storm system out in the western U.S., and that'll be heading our way. Let's take a look at the modeling here. This is valid 1 o'clock in the afternoon today, and that Arctic high pressure moving into western parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. Lots of sunshine today, and again, highs in the 30s. Tomorrow, this is a look at the map here for 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That high pressure begins to slide off the coast, and we begin to get into the return flow on the back side of that high. So clouds on the increase. We'll call it partly sunny tomorrow. And high temperatures tomorrow afternoon, probably in the low to maybe mid-40s, but mainly lower side of the 40s tomorrow. All right, Christmas Eve, Wednesday, 7 o'clock in the morning. A lot of cloud cover. Can't rule out a little bit of light precipitation the morning of Christmas Eve, but I think the best chance probably holds off until the evening and especially overnight, Wednesday night. This is 7 o'clock in the evening, Christmas Eve. And again, can't rule out a little light precipitation. Certainly lots of cloud cover in the Piedmont and the mountains Christmas Eve. This is Christmas morning, 7 in the morning. That system begins to pull through, so some showers a possibility Wednesday night into Christmas morning, and really some model disagreement as to how Christmas Day itself unfolds. The European pushes this high pressure a little farther southward, keeping us dry, whereas here on the GFS we have that chance of showers lingering for Christmas Day. So how I've handled my forecast package today, as I mentioned, the chance for some rain showers Christmas morning, probably ending later in the day, but a lot of cloud cover. Not the prettiest of Christmas days, but it could be worse, I suppose. Looks like right now our high temperatures Christmas Day in the 50s for much of the Piedmont. All right, Friday morning. This is 7 o'clock in the morning Friday, and we get back into this pattern again where we have this southwesterly flow, relatively mild. It looks like from Christmas Day on through the weekend, 50s, even some 60s for highs, and just occasionally the chance for showers and lots of cloud cover. So we'll highlight the chance of a few showers possible Friday. And there we are on Saturday, 1 in the afternoon, maybe a few showers continuing. Same story Sunday. So it looks mild and occasionally showery as we get to the second half of the week, really beginning later Christmas Eve, right on through the weekend. So after a very cold start to the week, we're going to finish it in mild, showery fashion. That is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Monday, and God bless.